Hi, this is Colin from Northwest Cadence. In this module, you'll learn a little bit about how to release to Azure using VSTS. I've gone ahead and created a new repository in the team project that has an Azure ARM template. The ARM template is a JSON file that describes resources that need to be created in a resource group in Azure. Let's go to our release to see what the release looks like. Here you'll see again I've got a release that's got a single environment called Azure, but this time we have 3 steps. The first step creates or updates an Azure Resource Group. For the template, I'm linking to the JSON file I just showed you. Let's quickly look at artifacts. Here you can see I'm linking to the build, which is the primary artifact for this particular release, as well as the ARM repository that contains the ARM template. In the override template parameters, I'm providing parameters that are specific to this environment, such as the VM name, the resource group name, and so on. The second step is a PowerShell script that extracts the IP address of the Azure virtual machine that's created in the resource group. We'll need this IP address in order to deploy. This script puts the IP address into a variable called IPaddr. If we go to the deploy Tomcat task, you can see how the IPaddr is used for the address of the Tomcat server URL. Let's go and have a look at a completed release. We can see release 5 was successful. I'll double click it to open up the summary and then hit log so we can view the logs. Here you can see that the deploy, create or update Azure Resource Group task completed successfully. Then the PowerShell script was successful, and finally the Tomcat task successfully deployed our application to the Tomcat server. I'm going to switch over to my Azure Resource Group in the portal, where you can see the resources that were created using that template. I'm going to click on the public IP address so we can get the public IP address for that machine. Let's copy that IP address and open up a browser to that IP address, port 8080/myshuttledev. And here we can see the MyShuttle website has been deployed successfully.